friends, let's learn about a new community helper. All right, here we go. So this community helper, here, let me move just a scooch closer, is our police officer. P Po Po O U. And then this says East, but I'm going to show you how we spell it. I-C-E. I-C-E. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police. O. Off. Lots of times when we have F in the middle of a word, we're going to do it 2 times. And this is one of those times. So we're going to do F, F, F. Off, is, off, is, So this is an I, and this is a S, but it's a soft C. And then this is E, R. Police officer. Go ahead and count those letters with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's a 1 and a 3, friends. Ooh, I don't know. 1 and a 3. Okay, let's spell it. P-O-L-I-C-E-O-F-F-I-C-E-R. Police officer. Okay, friends, we are going to go ahead and get started with a police officer has. Alrighty, so here's some examples. So you're going to see a police officer, and are you noticing they're wearing a uniform? I am. Okay, I think I will put that up here. Sure. Right there. Okay, uniform. And we're going to spell that right here. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. So they're going to wear certain things so that we know that they are a part of they are a police officer. They're going to wear a hat. Their clothing is going to be the same. They'll have a badge, and they'll have a patch, and they'll have a name. They're going to be wearing their toolkit or their tool belt, which we might call a utility belt. So they're going to have lots of things on. And here's some other uniforms. So you can see that they're a little bit different, just depending on what is happening and what they're doing and what department they're with. All right, one of the things that you're going to notice that police officers have is a radio. So they're going to have a radio on them, and they're also going to have a radio in their car. That way, it's like having their cell phone, but it's always on. And that way they can talk to their office and they can get additional information when they need it. So let's see. All right, so that's okay. We're going to make the radio right here. On this uniform, it's going to be right here. There's the radio. R-A-D-I-O. Radio. our police officers are going to have a utility belt. Now, on their utility belt, it's not just about holding up their pants, but making sure that they have all the items necessary in a safe spot for them. So we're going to write utility belt, and we have a utility belt right here. So a police officer has a utility belt. U-T-I-L-I-T-Y-B-E-L-T. Utility belt. A police officer has a utility belt. A police officer has a uniform. A police officer has a radio. Oh, look, friends, we're going to talk about one more thing. A police officer will have a badge. They have a badge. Yeah, and it depends on what their badge looks like, and what it says on it will all depend on what station they work for or what kind of law enforcement they are. So I'm going to put that right there, and we're going to write badge. B-A-D-G-E. A police officer has a badge. A police officer has a utility belt. A police officer has a uniform. A police officer has a radio. Okay, friends, until next time. See you later.